This is Henry Hall. At the base of this building, you'll find the courtyard where students are able to hang out before and after class. You'll find larger events such as Club Fest or even Qigong exercises held here. In the left wing of this building, you'll find the Provisions on Demand, also known as the Pod. This is the only convenience store on campus. It is open Monday through Friday as a secondary option to the cafe. This is where students can get drinks and snacks to get you through the day. On the bottom floor of Henry is where all the labs for the science departments are located. Biology, chemistry, environmental studies, and other science classes are held in these laboratories. Each lab is a fully equipped teaching lab and holds 15 to 20 students, which allows an enhanced personal learning experience. On the second floor of Henry Hall is where you'll find the School of Nursing. It's a direct entry 4-year program where students learn the suitable skills to become a certified nurse. Part of the program is the completion of clinical work and community service in various locations around the island to encourage the growth of all students as whole-rounded individuals. All of our skills labs are set up to mimic a working hospital room. The labs are equipped for students to practice various skills using the live mannequin models. These mannequins are able to mimic a human in numerous aspects, such as being able to bleed, urinate, etc.